Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share a DIY door painting idea. So today I am going to paint this door as you all can see in the video. So for painting I am going to use Asian Paint enamel paints. You can get this from any hardware shop. The price of 1 liter will cost about 460 rupees. Here I have used cream color as you can see in the video. Take out a small portion of the paint in a plastic container. We will use a flat brush for painting as you can see. Now we'll add some turpentine oil to make it a flowing consistency and we'll mix it properly. Now we'll start giving the first coat as you all can see. We'll give the first coat and let it dry completely for at least 4 to 5 hours. This is how it looks after the first coat. We'll let it dry completely. So here I have given 2 coats for the smooth finish and this is how it looks after the second coat. Now with the help of marker I have started making some mandala patterns. Here I have used a thread and a marker as you all can see to make the semicircle. As you can see, I have cut the paper in the shape of leaf of 3 different sizes and will trace the pattern of leaf as shown in the video. This is how the mandala pattern will look on the door, and now we'll start painting this. So for painting we have used Asian Paint enamel color of blue shade. It will cost you about 60 rupees. Now we'll open it. First we'll mix the color properly. And we'll use a flat brush for painting the mandala design. Now we'll start painting as shown in the video. Here is my cute little daughter helping me. She enjoys a lot helping mama. So if you loved it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. the final look of the door. See how beautiful it's looking. So if you loved it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.